Hello everybody, my name is Lucien. I'm here with the TCP. I'm the president and the CEO of the TCP. Today, you are in the TCP's warehouse. You can see the entire warehouse is loaded with all kinds of products. But today, I want to introduce you one of our best products. That product is called a high bay. Okay, look at it here, right behind me. You can see all different types of high bays. It's here. We have 5 different wattage of high bays. We have 105 watt, 150 watt, 210 watt, 310 watt, and a 410 watt. And a 410 watt will punch out 45,000 lumens. It's absolutely gigantic. Just remember this, in the United States, we have so many, thousands of what we call flat building. Every time when you landed in the city, you can see all the flat buildings all over the places. Each flat building needs hundreds of those high bays, which are able to illuminate the entire warehouse, make the entire warehouse absolutely visible, absolutely shining, absolutely safe, and people can work in the warehouse, identify their face as they moving forward. So today, let me introduce you how TCP's high bay, right behind me, works. Okay? So let's take it step by step. First step, let's open up one of the box. Okay, now I took one of the high bays here. What we do at TCP is called all-in-one. That means in this box, you see in this box, has a high bay, has a mounting kit, has everything you need. You don't have to go to any place else. So let me show you how it works, okay? You open this box as a contractor, now you're ready to mount this high base into the warehouse. You can see this one looks funny, but this is what we call panic mount, okay? And then you can see the box inside. You open up, I have chain inside, I have the hook inside, okay? And then, after that, you can see I pull out a gigantic fixture now, look, okay? I take 2 of those things out. This is what we call a high bay, okay? Now this high bay is ready to go. Okay, ready to be mounted top to the ceiling. Let's look up how high the ceiling is. Look, you know what? I'm a little bit shaky here because I'm afraid of heights. But today, I give myself some guts. I looked up how high it goes. This is more than 40 foot high over there. I'm going to get up over there and install this high bay. So you can see how easy it is to be installed. Okay, let's get up over there. Slowly, be patient, we're almost there. We're almost there, okay? Almost there, look how beautiful the roof is, right? Almost there, guys. Just show you the whole process today, okay? From the bottom up, all the way here, okay? You see, I'm almost reaching the ceiling here. Look at it, this is the ceiling, okay? Beautiful ceiling, I love it. But you know what? It's kind of dark here. We need some lights, right? So let me say this. You saw I took the one out of the box. Right now, the unit is right in my hand, okay? So first of all, I have to put this hook on it. So let me put this hook on, okay? You see, this is real stuff, guys. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so 1 hook, 2 hooks. Okay, I have 2 hooks. Okay, here we go.
That's good.
Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful. 2 chains, absolutely beautiful. So I put a chain on each side, okay? And then I put a hook on this, then I lifted this high bay up. Very easy to install, okay? All by myself. I hook this one. I hooked up 1 chain here. Let me go to the other chain, okay? It's all by myself. The second chain, the hook is up now, okay? So it's very easy. And then I hook this one, then I put that one in it. Look, perfect. Okay, now, all being hung up here, the next thing you do is look at those hooks. Usually we're using plow, just clamp it. Make sure they secure. Okay, since I don't have a plow with me, but I'm going to come back again, okay, to taking care of those 2 hooks. All that being said, now we need a power, so you can see how powerful the light is, okay? Let's see it, okay? Here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the lights underneath. Let me show you how the lights look like. Isn't that powerful lights? Beautiful lights, guys, okay? So you can see from the 40 feet high how beautiful this light is about. Woo! Oh, look at the light here, look at the light. My goodness, how powerful that light is. Just like a sun shining, come out in the morning. This is how we do it. It's a TCP light. Give us the most beautiful LED lights ever. That's it. Okay, mission accomplished. Okay, the high bay installed right over there is absolutely beautiful. I hope you will enjoy the high bay too. So you can do better, much better than I just did it. But you know what? I put my guts together today. I went up and I did it. Thank you for watching this. Thank you. Enjoy.